In this problem, we're talking about what a median is. And it's a little bit like a mean in the sense that you're trying to get a measure of center, right? You're trying to approximate a data set by kind of figuring out where the middle is. Except with a mean, you just average all the numbers together. And if one of those numbers is 0, boy, that'll have a big effect. With a median, it's okay if one of the numbers is a lot not like the others, right? If I've got a whole bunch of quiz scores in the 60s and 70s and 80s, and one of those quiz scores was a 0, the median won't care. Okay, one score is not going to throw the median wildly off. It's nice in that sense, in that it doesn't care about outlier data points so much. So I'm going to give an example of finding the median using a small number of numbers, and then we'll move on to this 37 problem. Let's say I've got a list of numbers, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, where's the middle? It's 3, right? We can just see it. It's 2 in from the left, and it's 2 in from right. This is the middle number. Now imagine if you had 37 numbers. Where's the middle of it? Well, you could count 1 through 37, and then count your way back in one at a time until you got to the middle. Or what you could think about is a quicker way to find the median, which is this. You take n divided by 2, okay, which in this case would have been 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5, right? Well, there's no 2.5th number. Instead, there's the third number. So we have to be a little careful in how we count these things. And if I counted all the way up to 37 numbers on one side, and I'm starting at 1 on the left, what number's in the middle? Well, 1, 37, right? 2, 36, 3, 35, and so on and so on and so on. We're going to get, let's see, 37 divided by 2 is 18.5. So I'm going to get to the number 19, which is in the middle of this thing. Okay, that's kind of what this looks like. If you keep counting in from the edges, you're going to get to the number 19. In other words, there's going to be a county in this state where the 19th county in order of population has the median population. This is where 100,000 people live in that county. And everything to the right of it is bigger. Everything to the left of it is small. So what this question is asking is, how many counties have a population less than 100,000 people? In other words, how many counties are over here? Well, it should be pretty easy to look at. There's 18. If you wanted to know how many counties were to the right of it, you would just count from 20 to 37. Okay, so we've got 18 counties that have a population less than the median.